Welcome to ZenInbox, connecting your Yahoo Mail using IMAP SMTP. Easily connect your Yahoo Mail account in ZenInbox using IMAP SMTP to ensure seamless email sending and receiving. Follow this step-by-step guide to set up your Yahoo mailbox. How to connect your Yahoo mailbox using IMAP/SMTP. Navigate to Mailboxes in ZenInbox. Click Add Mailboxes in the top right corner. Choose Add Manually to proceed. Choose IMAP/SMTP as your connection type. Click Next to continue. First name. Enter your first name, Francis. Last name. Enter your last name, Smith. Email ID. Enter your Yahoo Mail address, starfishwhale@yahoo.com. Click Next to proceed. Username. Enter your Yahoo Mail address. Password. Follow the steps below to generate an app password. Go to Yahoo Account Security at Yahoo. Scroll down and select App Passwords. Click Generate App Password and select Other. Copy the generated password and paste it into ZenInbox. IMAP. Host. Use imap.mail.yahoo.ecom. IMAP port. Use 993 for a secure connection. IMAP-TLS. Toggle on to enable encryption. Click Next to continue. Username. Enter your Yahoo Mail address. Password. Enter the already generated app password, SMTP. Host. Use smtp.mail.yahoo.com. SMTP port. Use 465 for a secure connection. SMTP-TLS. Toggle on for encrypted email sending. Optional. To set a different reply. To email, check the Set Reply To box and enter the desired email address. Click Next to proceed. You can create a custom email signature for outgoing emails. Click Finish to complete the setup. Success! Your Yahoo mailbox is now connected. You will see a confirmation message. IMAP added successfully. Your Yahoo Mail is now ready for sending and receiving emails in ZenInbox. Enjoy a seamless email experience with ZenInbox.